Hello Moto.
Hey everyone, this is Som and welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I have unboxed the all new Motorola S30 Fusion. It is priced around at 40,000 Indian rupees and you can get it for around 37 Indian rupees during sale and credit card offers. So this phone is powered by Snapdragon 888 Plus chip coupled with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. Display is 6.55-inch POLED curved panel. This phone has a metal frame and both the front and back glasses are protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 5 series. Coming to the camera section, the rear main camera is 50 megapixel paired with a 30 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front selfie camera is a 32 megapixel sensor. So here was a quick look at the Motorola S30 Fusion. To watch the complete review and in-depth camera comparison, do consider to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.
Hello Moto.